Hello everybody, this is Mr. Cool. We're going to be doing some different videos coming up here. We're going to be doing a lot of things coming up here. We got, you can body slam that like button down below. You can follow us on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, Instagram. You can also follow us on different platforms. Will be coming up to Instagram. What we're going to start doing is called how to make money with your how to make money. We have there's two types of that. Well, there's actually three types you can make money. Excuse me. One, you can make money from your phone. There's many apps out there that has money apps that you can check out that you can make money from your phone. So you can there's many out you can check on. Go to Google Play and to make money, you want to type in to make money, and you can make some extra money. Some money apps out there. You can check it out. There's many of them out there. Test them to see which one that that would help you and benefit you. But also too, there's two other sites. One's called Send Earnings. It's that you click and send pay emails. Then number two is Inbox. You want to check out both of them. They're Inbox and Send Earnings, and you can get a cash out of $30. They'll subtract. I think it's $3. You'll get 27, and you can get that, and that'll help you all out. But this is Mr. Cool's Money Tips, how to make money, and I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. Bye.